Flip over here to the bond market and I see the yield up 13 basis points, which in other words means that the US bond market is getting absolutely clobbered. Well, hello there, my friends. Chris Mark is here with you for Arcadia Economics. And this is going to be a short, quick video about the bond market because I flipped over to CNBC, which I'm learning to stop doing. But aside from Apple becoming the first company to reach a $3 trillion market cap, flip over here to the bond market and I see the yield up 13 basis points, which in other words means that the US bond market is getting absolutely clobbered. Now, obviously, it is the start of the year, so a lot of money moving around there. But just to put that in context, that is quite a sharp sell-off. Remember, the yield moves inversely to the price. And imagine it like this. If the yield is 1%, if you own that bond, and then the yield in the marketplace goes up to 2%, well, you'd rather be getting 2% than 1%. So your bond is relatively less valuable as the yields go up. And to put this in context, I mean, it's been in that range. You see a big move at the beginning of last year, then, through the summer, the yield got tamped down. But then even you go back to, that's the beginning of December at 1.3233 basis points, we'll call it. But really, if you take a look here in the 1 month, well, they're not showing. Oh, there you go. There's that spike up. And that's a big move in the bond market, as the bond market, you could say, is getting clobbered, jumping on the first day. Also happening, I just noticed Bix Weir sent out a video and he pointed out China share trading halted. So I had mentioned Evergrande in the video I did earlier today about how silver was getting clobbered as the drain on the COMEX continues. And I mentioned Evergrande and how they're increasing defaults. And I think in a world where a lot of people who follow silver have expected something like a Lehman moment, and we've seen these things happen, just the prices have been contained by the plunge protection team and that intervenes in markets. We've heard plenty about Ross. So you have that happening. And then we remember what happened when the world got shut down the first time from COVID. And here we see US schools delay openings as Omicron pushes pandemics to record highs. Also in the news, while I was seeing that, I noticed a settlement agreement made between Epstein and accuser made public. Agreement between Epstein and an accuser made public in the Prince Andrew case. I haven't even read that one, and I won't dig into it now, but I think you're going to hear a lot more about stuff like that this year. I've already seen plenty of it emerge. We'll leave that at that. And lastly, in terms of silver, if you want to know how the whole silver thing is going to shake out, that is what the book, The Big Silver Short, How the Wall Street Banks Have Left the Silver Market in Place for the Short Squeeze of a Lifetime, that's what it's all about. And it was done in interview style format with 15 of the world's top silver experts. I'm actually already started designing the movie, so that will be exciting. But you can get the book on Amazon, or you can go to the ArcadiaEconomics.com homepage, get the audio version. It's on Audible too, or the website. You get audio or paperback. And fortunately, I think people have been enjoying that. I feel grateful to have been a part of it. I really do mean that, a part of it. It wasn't just my book, but getting to meet a lot of these people, getting to know them. And anyway, if you'd like to pick up a copy of that, link is in the description field below. And again, hope you're having a great day. And just wanted to point out, because that is quite a big move in the bond market, as the bond prices getting clobbered. This is a direct sign. Well, let me rephrase that. This isn't a direct sign that the Fed is imploding, but whichever day and era the Fed finally does implode, which I would say when you tie in some of the things that are to come out about vaccines, Pfizer, Moderna, and things like this, I think it's all going to crumble at the same time, including the silver short. But again, let me put it like this. Whenever the bond market does collapse, you're going to see a lot of days like this. So this is only one day and it's still intact. But when the Fed finally loses control, that's the kind of thing you'll see a lot of. So maybe it'll be a lot lower tomorrow. And again, just something to keep an eye on. But hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, and we'll keep you posted. Thanks for watching.